Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best headphones under $50 in 2021. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a bare-bones, lightweight pair that sounds decent and costs less than $20, or affordable studio-grade headphones with an impressive soundscape, I'll have the product for you. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Sony ZX series. These are our best headphones under $20. The Sony ZX series are a solid budget option for around $20. You get a portable and lightweight pair of headphones that can deliver some nice sounds along with Sony's class-leading reputation at a very competitive price. The lightweight and compact plastic design can fold and swivel, so they can easily be stored in your bag if you commute. Even though these aren't advertised as noise-canceling, the over-ear design does give you some without leaking too much sound. They also have nice padding so they don't clamp too much and feel comfortable enough to wear them for extended periods. You also get an inline remote and a built-in microphone, which allows for hands-free phone or video calls. I also like that you can get the SmartKey app to customize the remote's functions. They come with a tangle-resistant cable for added convenience and durability. The 4-foot-long L-shaped 3.5mm plug also means they're compatible with just about any device. I think you'll find that their audio quality outperforms the price, thanks to some specifications that are typically only found in more premium headphones, like 30mm neodymium drivers, 24-ohm impedance, and the full frequency response range of 12Hz to 22,000Hz. This gives you a solid listening experience with impressive bass, which is further enhanced by the acoustic bass boomer. They also give you a decent mid-range presence, and although the high, mid, and treble frequencies can sound a bit dark and lack crispness, they should be suitable for most casual listening. These should also perform admirably for gaming, although they're geared towards music. The Sony ZX series are solid headphones, and I think they're the best you can get for under $20. They give you a lightweight and portable design and can deliver some surprisingly decent sound, along with a useful built-in microphone and tangle-free cord. These should be suitable for commuters or office workers who want functional headphones at a bargain price. The 4th product on our list is the Vunex Sound Element Duo. These are our best earbuds for the money under $50. For anyone who finds over-ear headphones to be uncomfortable, the Vunex Sound Element Duo is a solid option. For $45, you get great value with features typically found on more expensive items, along with solid audio performance, a comfortable in-ear build, and strong connectivity. Vunex gives you true wireless polycarbonate headphones with Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity for a stronger connection with fewer drops and a respectable range of 15 to 20 meters. I was impressed with the IPX7 waterproof rating, so these are suitable for most conditions. Even though these don't come with active noise cancellation, they passively block a solid amount of ambient noise thanks to the in-ear design. You also get a user-friendly interface with touch-sensitive buttons, a microphone with CVC noise isolation, voice assistant integration, and onboard volume control, which is rare at this price. They're also easy to pair, so setup is hassle-free. These come with a solid 50 mAh battery that should give you around 5 hours of playtime, and you also get a durable aluminum 2000 mAh charging case that can charge the earbuds up to 20 times or act as a power bank for your other devices. The earbuds have a charge time of 1.5 hours, and you can charge the case wirelessly. I think you'll also really like the sound quality, which uses tri-frequency tuning to deliver a balanced soundscape. These give you a frequency response range of 20Hz to 20,000Hz, so you get strong bass presence, good mids, decent vocals, and clear highs. You'll also find they're versatile and can handle podcasts or spoken word well. The Vunex Sound Element Duo are in-ear headphones that offer you great value. You get solid audio performance, a multifunctional and durable charging case that doubles as a power bank, and plenty of features typically found on more expensive headphones. I would recommend these for anyone looking for true wireless headphones at an affordable price. The 3rd product on our list is the Razer Kraken X Ultralight. These are our best gaming headphones under $50. The Razer Kraken X Ultralight are good, budget-friendly gaming headphones that will cost you around $40. With these, you get a lightweight and durable design, 7.1 surround sound support, and a cardioid boom microphone to improve your gaming performance. The polycarbonate plastic chassis weighs about 9 ounces, which is much lighter than most headsets in this range. You also get memory foam padding on the leatherette ear cups and headband to ensure optimal comfort, and I think these will be especially suitable for long gaming sessions. All the controls are housed on the left ear cup, which gives you a microphone mute button and a volume dial for on-the-fly adjustments. You also get a 4.5-foot, 3.5mm wired connection, which means it's compatible with most devices and consoles. I think the overall audio performance is solid for the price. You get 40mm drivers and a frequency response range of 12Hz to 28,000Hz, so they can deliver a relatively detailed soundscape that's geared towards gaming and excels with voice work and background music. You even get solid 3-dimensionality to improve sound imaging. Because these are gaming headphones, the music performance is lacking a bit and the bass can be light, but you do get a generally bright sound with good treble response and solid mid-range presence. I also like that you get access to Razer's proprietary software, Synapse, which gives PC gamers the option to broaden their soundstage by enabling the virtual 7.1 surround sound. This software also gives you a range of customizable EQ settings to dial in your sound. The adjustable cardioid boom mic is a nice addition that has some noise cancellation to filter out unwanted ambient noise and should work perfectly for casual gamers. The Razer Kraken X Ultralight is a solid and affordable gaming headset. It delivers a balanced soundscape and respectable performance for gaming, 7.1 surround sound, and a functional microphone. This is a good choice for gamers on a budget. The second product on our list is the Enac Fire A9. These are our best ANC earbuds under $50. If you're looking for active noise-canceling earbuds for under $50, the Enac Fire A9 True Wireless earbuds are worth considering. They offer good sound performance, 4 built-in microphones, and a comfortable fit. You get a reliable Bluetooth 5.0 connection with a solid range of about 30 feet, plus you also get a respectable 45 mAh battery that should last you around 4.5 hours, although using some of the features can drain the battery faster. Unfortunately, it lacks wireless charging, but you also get a useful and portable plastic charging case with a 400 mAh battery that can supply about 32 hours of total playtime. They also come with an IPX7 waterproof rating, so they're suitable for sweaty workouts or runs in the rain. Enac Fire gives you touch controls to activate your voice assistant, toggle through the different listening modes, and access the comprehensive media controls. I think the key feature here is the active noise cancellation mode, which removes a solid amount of ambient background noise and effectively minimizes high-frequency sounds. It won't eliminate all noise, but it works well for the price. You also get a transparency mode that introduces some subtle ambient noise so you can stay alert, although it's very similar to the off mode, so I think the functionality of this could be improved going forward. While I would have liked to see a customizable EQ, I think the ANC makes up for it. You'll find the overall sound quality to be good, with the 10mm drivers delivering a nice scope of frequencies and a sound profile that's generally warm. They also come with plenty of bass that doesn't noticeably distort, although they do tend to bleed some sound. The Enac Fire A9 gives you true wireless connectivity, and I don't think you'll be able to find better performing earbuds with active noise cancellation at this price. You get a warm soundstage, plenty of listening modes, and solid waterproofing. The first product on our list is the Audio-Technica AT-H-M20X. These are our best overall headphones under $50. The Audio-Technica AT-H-M20X are studio monitor headphones that run around $50 and are good for entry-level home recordings and gives you a comfortable lightweight build, clear audio, and good sound isolation for a wallet-friendly price. The wired pair of headphones come with a 3.5mm cable, so they're compatible with most devices, and they come with a 1/4-inch adapter which increases the range and provides easy connection to audio interfaces. These have a lightweight over-ear design that comes with a cushioned headband and leatherette-covered padded ear cups, so you can wear them for lengthy durations. I think the plastic build should give you some decent durability as well. The ear cups also swivel 15 degrees to increase comfort, and the closed-back design helps to limit excessive sound bleeding. While they lack active noise cancellation, the cups deliver some noise isolation that filters out a solid amount of ambient noise to enhance your listening experience. I think you'll be impressed with how good these sound for entry-level headphones. They come with 40mm dynamic neodymium drivers and copper-clad aluminum wire voice coils for good sound reproduction, and they can even reproduce a solid tonal spectrum. You also get a frequency response range of 15 Hz to 20,000 Hz, so they deliver impressive sound quality, especially in the high and mid-ranges, and the 47 ohm impedance eliminates annoying electrical interference. The bass response can be a little flat at times and lack some warmth, but these provide a clear, balanced, and detailed soundscape with nice sound resolution. The Audio-Technica AT-H-M20X are the best overall headphones you'll find for under $50. These are intended for studio environments and for entry-level home recordings, delivering good sound that outperforms the budget price. These are solid headphones for musicians, engineers, or anyone who wants good sound without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.